Genius bread investors, as I told you in the previous video here at 28th of March, I told you this level we have to respect here, and if we bounce, if we don't respect it, if we broke from it, we're gonna see the price go to hovering around the $1.80, and that's what we did exactly in the 1st of April until now, and that's why hopefully you saw the video and you protect yourself at this level at $2.42. I told you guys, if we just go below it a bit, we actually saw the jump, and you could actually sell at $4.32 when we actually open the market with a bit of gap. So hopefully you saw the video and you save a bit of money. Let's calculate it. You could actually went down with 4% loss, better than getting like 32% loss. This is how risk management one-on-one works. So before we go in the video and discuss where the price will be, are we gonna see a big buying pressure, what will happen exactly with GNUS brand, everything will be answered with a trade in Jesus. As I told you, be patient and hunt for the right price value at my channel. No BS, no editing, straight to the chart. Let's get right to it. But before we go to the video, like and come subscribe, hit the notification so you never miss any my warning sign and big price action where the smart money will buy at. So let's go right to it. As I told you guys in the previous video at the 28th here, I told you warning price for GNUS brand at 28th of March. Hopefully you saw the video or you actually protect yourself at this level. I told you guys exactly at this line. I told you if we get below it, we're gonna see a test. We don't see a test, we saw even a gap down and actually went down, and we actually went to $1.80 as I predicted. As I told you, we're gonna see the price hovering around $1.88, $1.85. So you actually could save yourself almost the price, almost like you get at least 4% loss, other than getting like more than 30% loss. But as you usually said, guys, define your strategy. As you can see here, you can actually take a 5% loss, you sell and you buy back here, you average down. So it's better than not holding, but you just buy in the lower prices, or you hold 50% and you buy 50%, so you actually never feel FOMO if you sell. So this is a lot of strategy I will discuss in my training course, and in the weekend I will do some kind of training course about risk management, so you can stay tuned for that. At the time being, the most important thing, guys, the most important thing, as I told you, when we've been trending up, we were bouncing from this exponential moving average, and I told you the price is perfect for GNUS, and we tested here at around the 24th of March, and we got rejected. As I told you, when we actually get an all-time high, I warn you guys that the volume is actually been dropping, and we can actually go higher if we actually been dropping. We have a drop in volume. That's why I indicated here at that video that I saw big jump here, then a big massive sell-off, and I told you we can actually go anywhere unless we have a big up in volume. That's what we didn't. That's why I told you the protective loss here at $2.43. We actually got a gap down, and this is like the signal for you to get out, to save at least 30% from your money, and you could actually average down here. And now the price hovering around our strong support, like I put it in the beginning of March. I told you at $1.57, and now we're trading above it. Now we're gonna see a test by this day, coming days, a test for this level again, and hopefully above the test will be above the $1.50, and we might actually go to $1.44 if we have a lot of selling pressure. But the most price value for Genius brand at the moment I can see is $1.57. We might test, we might even go lower to $1.44, but this area will be a big jump of buying pressure at this area, and this is a really perfect time to actually average down at Genius brand at $1.44, $1.40, and you can actually average down even at $1.57. It will really be a good price to buy at, for as in my opinion, because you have the other level. We can actually expect a lot of buying pressure at this area, so above the $1.35, $1.40. This is big buying pressure we're gonna see for naked at the time being. So before that, let's see more for naked, and we can see here the price has actually been trading really low now, because we usually, before we bounce from this ascending line, we almost bought back really fast at this area. We never stay at, we just have a big wick, and here a candle, then a big buying pressure. But here, guys, look with me, when we actually bounce from our ascending line, look what happened, guys. We have a closing candle, even buying pressure, but below, and a wick above. This is a really bad news. That means that the price will see a dropping below even $1.57. We might actually see the $1.33 for Genius in coming days. So be careful, guys, for this is really important, because I can see even lower prices for Genius, but at the time being we have to hold the $1.57 now. If we just drop a bit to $1.50 or below a bit to $1 even 49, we're gonna see the $1.33 for sure for Genius, because as I can see from dropping in volume and dropping from our ascending line and accumulation below our ascending line, and we have a closing candle below our ascending line, this is actually give us more indication that the price will go even lower and test for first at $1.57. Then if we break it and we actually don't have a big buying pressure here, we'll see the price will go to $1.33 and wait until see the big buying pressure to indicate us that the price actually hit the price value for Genius at the time being. So guys, as I show you, always see that you actually can protect yourself if you have defined risk management. This is really important, guys. If you ride this ride up, okay, and you be happy, everybody happy, want to make some money, of course, but if you don't have a risk management and you want to average down, or you never actually have an idea about the price where it will go, you will just you never take a profit. You just ride it and ride it and ride it. You don't know when. But at the moment we actually have this rejection and the drop in volume, I told you we have to have a risk management, and our risk management at $2.42. I told you if we have a bit of drop, get out. 50% if you can actually feel FOMO, just 50%, then 50% you can actually average down, as I told you, on $1.88 or 85, and this is a better average than actually holding the price above the $2.70. You see, you save yourself 35%, and you can actually go lower and you buy. This is for a lot of people don't have a lot of money to average down every time for drop, and at the same time of selling everything and feel FOMO if the price just have a push up a bit. So always have a strategy. So the 50% selling to take a profit and buying at lower prices, this is actually fix the problem with feeling FOMO. For a lot of people ask me, this is like, you're investing, if you're in stock you should hold, and what's happening if you're investing. This is, again, if you're investing in a long hold and you have a lot of money, you can average down at any drop. By all means, just do it. I'm telling for the people who actually don't have money, or they want to swing trade, you can sell and buy lower. Why not? You're do what actually the strategy that work for you, and you feel not stressed and FOMO, and to solve this problem, because this is a problem that happened to a lot of related trader, and to fix it, this is the solution, guys. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future update, daily data update, without bias, without emotionally attached, without wishful thinking, always transparent for you guys, always tell you what I see in front of me in the chart, without any wishful thinking about news or what happened, because the all things is we can control. I just give the information that I can control, which is human psychology, reading human psychology from through chart, and see the supply and demand, and where the price value lie at the exact right time that we actually trading at. So guys, see you in the next video, and until next time, be patient and let's hunt for the exact right price value. See you guys.